Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to show you quickly these little hearts. These are blooming hearts. So they're just like a piece of paper, a little thicker, sturdier I should say, and they are wafer thin. And what you do is you plant them in your garden and they will bloom every year. I shared a video on how we did a little project with these, my mom and I did, for our family reunion, and I'll put that link below if you're interested in taking a look. And we created something with these flowers. I ordered these off Amazon. If I can find the link, I'll share it with you. And I thought, I haven't used them. I used it the other day in a project that I did, but I just use it as an embellishment. But I thought, I got to do something with it. And I thought maybe just like a little thank you gift, just to give, just something small. So what I did was I created this little card. And now it's just a flat piece. It doesn't open or close or anything. It's just this. It just says, "You are beautiful." I put some stickers on there, and I did a different piece down below. And then on the back, I just put what to do with it. And then this says, "Wild hearts can't be broken," and just thank you on it. So just something simple. I mean, I could really decorate this up, but I just thought I'd share with you what I created and take you through quickly how I did it. So I'm using up my 6x6 paper. So what I did was I cut it, the 6x6, into 3x6. And then I cut two different ones. And then what I did was I cut one of them to 3x3. So it kind of looks like that. Okay, so that's how I did that. So I'm gonna try and keep it the same. So what I did, I just took my corner rounder, and on this one is my We Are Memory Keepers punch board. So I just did both. I already wrote it on the back just to save time for the video. Okay, so there we go. And I could have made this like a pocket, but I thought it was cute just the way that it was. So you can make this any width that you wish. And so let's glue it down. It's really quick and easy. I wanted to use my flowers, and I thought this would probably be a great idea to use them with. Just using my Arts glitter glue. That right there, I'll line it up. There we go. And I did use just a little hot glue on the back of that. So actually I get around the top corners as well. I don't really like that squared off like that. There we go. Okay, and that's all you need right now for the glue. And so I need to find something up top. Let me see what I can use. I wonder if this will fit. That actually may just fit. I like this. It says happy. Actually, yeah, let's use that one. Let's just use that. Kind of matches and goes right in with it. Right into the center. There we go. I like that it's clear all the way around, that you can really just see the gold. So it says happy. And that would be glued on the front. And it's just, I'm just using a little dab, tiny little dab, so that I can just have it stick there. Just hold it for a second. You can embellish them so many ways, and I could have had it pop up, but I kind of like that. It's just a nice little thing there. So on this one, I have the little comments on the back, and I thought that where there are flowers that I'll put wild and free. That's a cute little one. There we go. And maybe something that says thank you as well. Let's see what we can put there. Now let's go to this book. Not finding what I want. So, want it to say thank you possibly, or, yep, there we go. That's good enough. There we go. Want it to say thank you. And that's it. That's all I'm gonna do with this. I'm not gonna really add too much to it. They're just little things that I can send quickly in the mail, even to a pen pal, a family member, and it could just be, you know, a random act of kindness. You don't have to really do much with it, but I thought they were cute and simple, not too much and not too hard. See you in the next video.